No, you don't need to pay for every image you create with AI. Today, I'll show you how to generate beautiful, high-quality images from simple text, completely free, using 3 powerful AI websites. Whether you're a content creator, designer, or just curious about the AI world, this video is made for you. Hi, and welcome to part 3 of our YouTube automation journey. If you've been following the series, you know I keep it real, no unnecessary talking, no clickbait, just straight to the point tutorials that actually help. In this video, I'll walk you through Leonardo AI, Ideogram AI, and Microsoft Designer step by step, and at the end, I'll do a quick comparison so you can pick the best tool for your needs. So stick with me till the end, and if you find even a little bit of value here, please consider subscribing. It genuinely helps this channel grow and keeps me motivated to bring more helpful content, especially for those who can't afford expensive tools or courses. Let's dive right in and start creating some amazing images for free. Number 1, Leonardo AI. Alright, so the first tool on our list is Leonardo AI. Just head over to Google and type Leonardo AI. Click on the first link and it'll take you straight to the website. On the homepage, you'll see the Get Started button. Click that. Now, I want to mention something important here. I was also a beginner not too long ago, so I'm not here to waste your time or drag the video. I'm keeping it simple and to the point so you get exactly what you need. You can sign in easily using your Google account, that's what I'm doing here, and it'll drop you right into the main dashboard. From here, you'll have access to your account and get 150 free credits, which you can use to generate images. If you ever want to upgrade and go unlimited, you can do that. 2 plans range from $10 to $48 per month. But for now, let's keep it simple and stick with the free version. Now, in the prompt box, you'll enter your text to generate the image. Below that, you'll see your image history, basically all the images you've generated before. Since we're creating for YouTube, let's select the 16:9 aspect ratio from the left panel to match the video format. Also, if you upgrade your account, you'll unlock access to high-quality and ultra-detailed images. You can even change the image style, like from cinematic to something else, to match your creative vision. Let's go ahead and paste in our first prompt here. Hit generate, and the tool will start working its magic. In just a few seconds, you'll see the results. And as you can see, the generated images are really good. But let's try changing the style from cinematic to dynamic and generate again. This time, the images look even better, seriously high quality. I'm honestly impressed. You can click on each one to preview and download the one you like best. Here are the images I just downloaded for the first prompt. Now let's try our second prompt. Follow the same process. Copy the text from the PDF, paste it into the prompt box, and click generate. Each time it might take a few seconds, depending on the prompt. Once it's done, check this out, amazing results again. Browse through them and pick your favorites to download. As you can see, we used up 72 credits in total, about 24 credits per generation. But here's a tip. If you want to generate more images for free, I've got a cool trick. Comment trick below and I'll share a free guide in my community post as a PDF. Number 2, Ideogram AI. Now moving on to our second tool, Ideogram AI. This one is also a top-tier platform for generating images from text, especially if you're working on visuals for YouTube videos. Just like before, go to Google, type Ideogram AI, and sign in. I'm doing that right here. Once you're signed in, this is what the interface looks like. On the bottom left corner, you'll find your profile and account settings. Ideogram gives you 10 free credits, and the cool part is they reset every 5 days, so you get a fresh set of credits regularly without needing to pay anything. Alright, just like Leonardo AI, we'll need to set the image ratio to 16:9, perfect for YouTube videos. You can also tweak other settings depending on what kind of look you want. Now let's copy our first prompt from the PDF and paste it into the prompt box. I'll go ahead and hit enter, and the generation will begin. You can see the progress right here on the screen. It usually takes a few seconds. And there we go. The images are ready. Let's take a look through them. Not bad at all. You can preview each one and then download the ones you like, or just grab all 4 if you want. Here are our downloaded images for the first prompt. Now let's test it with our second prompt. Same steps. Paste the prompt, hit enter, and let it do its thing. Since we're on the free plan, it might take a little longer this time. And done. Images are ready. Let's check them out and download our favorites. Again, here are all the downloaded images for the second prompt. I have to say, these are looking good, but I still feel Leonardo AI might have a slight edge. But don't worry, I'll be doing a full comparison at the end, side by side with another AI tool, and we'll see which one is actually the best. So make sure to stick around till the end. Number 3, Microsoft Designer. Now let's check out our third tool, Microsoft Designer. This is what the interface looks like. When you sign in, you'll get 15 free credits, and each image generation costs just 1 credit, so you can experiment quite a bit right away. You can also access your account from the top right, and one great feature here is the option to change the size of your generated image. I'll go ahead and set it to a YouTube-friendly 16:9 ratio. Next, in the description box, I'll paste our first image prompt. Hit generate and it'll get started right away. And by the way, if you're still watching, you've probably noticed I haven't dragged anything out. My goal is to give you straightforward, useful info, no filler. Alright, our images are ready. And look at that, they actually look really nice. Let's go ahead and download all of them. Here are the downloaded images from our first prompt. Now let's try the second prompt. Same thing, copy it, paste it into the description box, and hit generate. And in no time, the tool has generated another set of really cool images. Let's check them out. Wow, honestly, these are great too. I'll go ahead and download them, and here are all our final images for the second prompt from Microsoft Designer. Now it's time for the most exciting part of this video, the comparison. We've used the exact same prompt on all 3 AI tools, Leonardo AI, Ideogram AI, and Microsoft Designer. But the question is, which one actually produced the best result? To keep things fair and unbiased, I'm going to use ChatGPT to help us decide. I'll tell it that in the next 2 messages, I'll be sharing a total of 3 images, each generated using the same prompt but from a different AI website. I'll ask it to rate each image out of 10, where 10 means the best and 0 means the lowest. Since I can't upload all 3 images at once, I'll first send the first 2 images to ChatGPT and ask it to wait for the third. After that, I'll upload the final image, and then ChatGPT will give us its honest opinion and score for each one. So here we go, let the comparison begin. So here we go, image number 1 is the last one we uploaded. Now it's up to you to identify which tool it came from and begin the rating process.